Hello everyone, this is Romeo and
Lynette.
thank you for joining us. We're Romeo Chocolates. We're proud to participate in this year's virtual taste of downtown. So with that said, we're going to be sharing some of the snack kits that you can purchase here curbside or online and take it home and prepare, and also some of our drink kits that we have as well too. Awesome. Well, so one of the snack kits that we're going to be preparing for you will be the Fondue Take-Home Kit. In the Fondue Take-Home Kit, you have an assortment of pastries along with some fresh fruit, and I'm going to show you how you can prepare your fondue sauce as well too. So first and foremost, so on our fondue kit, normally when we present it here at the shop, we have a different presentation, and when we're ready for our curbside pickup, we'll be putting them into go containers here. But we are so excited that one day we'll be able to serve our dine-in customers as well too. So in our kit, we have an assortment of marshmallows, also our Rice Krispie treats, and then our scratch-made shortbreads here as well too. Of course, in fondue, you definitely want to put some fresh food in there. So I'm going to show you what we prepped for that. In the fondue kit, we have some strawberries. So I'm going to slice up some fresh strawberries for folks. Gives you a nice, fresh flavor in the fondue that you'll be dipping in decadent Belgian dark chocolate. So we'll be setting that up here on the plate. Followed with strawberries, we're also going to be doing a fresh banana on there as well too, that they'll dip in dark chocolate. So the strawberries are all set there. Now it's onwards to our banana. So with the banana here, we're going to go ahead and slice it up so it's a nice size portion to dip in your Belgian dark chocolate sauce. This is in the hopes that with the fondue, people are taking it home and hopefully they're sharing it or not, totally up to you. But there's enough of a portion for two people to enjoy this Fondue Take-Home Kit.
Okay, and does it come with the fresh fruit and everything already?
It does, and so in the fondue kit, you have your pastries, you have your fresh strawberries, and your bananas as well too. And so also in this fondue kit, we have an assortment of different chocolates. In this fondue kit, we're doing our Belgian 54% dark chocolate. And we're gonna combine it, when you do this at home, you can combine it with the milk of your choice. You can either do it with whole milk, you can also do it with oat milk or almond milk, or if you prefer none of these, you can also do it with water as well too. So what you're going to do with that milk is you're going to go ahead and warm it up to about 120 degrees or so, not quite to boiling. So that way we can melt our chocolate and make a nice fondue sauce with it. At home, you're going to find a cup to pour your dark chocolate in. And this is about 80 or so grams of chocolate. And you're going to locate a whisk. If you have a fork, that's perfectly fine. You just want to blend it all together with the dairy of your choice or the milk of your choice. So we have our Belgian chocolate in the kit, the milk of your choice. We're going to go ahead and combine that. And the heat from the milk is naturally going to melt the chocolate anyway. You're going to take your whisk and just blend and blend and blend. Make sure that's nice and melted with the oat milk. And so we want like a nice smooth consistency in this, so that way the chocolate coats the fresh fruit and the pastries just perfectly. All right, so now that we have our dark chocolate and our oat milk mixed up, it should be a nice silky consistency on there, and we're ready to go ahead and pour it into a vessel. So you can pour it into whichever container you have at home that you want to dip your fresh fruit and your pastries in. One cool thing that we have with this container is that it's actually a fondue set. And so on here we have a candle that we're going to light up, and that's going to keep your Belgian dark chocolate nice and warm as you dip. If you have a candle lighter or a brûlée torch at home, you could do that. Then we just set this here, and that's ready for some fun dipping on there. So again, if you were to take this home, you would have this box along with our Belgian dark chocolate on there. You'll have fresh bananas in there too, some cut strawberries in there as well too, for the entire kit. And our goal is for you, even at the safety of your home, as you're sheltering in place, to have some decadent, delicious treats as you're spending time with family and with your loved ones safely. And so this is essentially the kit that they'll be receiving.
This is so much fun to do with your kids, right?
Absolutely. And so this is totally like a family take-home kit that they can assemble together in that. So you mentioned that we have some drinks that go along with our snack kits. I'd love to open this up as you talk.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit more about the types of drinks we got.
Yeah, so another kit that we have is our mimosa, ready to drink, ready to pour at your house. It comes with 3 different juices: cranberry, orange juice, and mango. Woo.
Got a party.
There we go. As well as our popular sangria pouch. Oh my god, they sell out so fast, so make pre-orders if you can. It'll really help us out too, so we know how many to make over the weekend. There we go. Should I pop in our orange juice?
Absolutely. And when you make your mimosas, it's totally up to you. Most folks, it's probably mostly champagne, and then like just a touch of color with a fruit juice of your choice. What types of fruit juice do they get with this, Lynette?
What kind of juice?
Yes.
So they get the orange juice, they get the cranberry, and mango. This was a little hard, I think, because of my gloves.
Yeah.
All right, there we go.
So speaking of gloves, as she's doing that, some of the things we want to mention to our virtual Taste of Downtown audience is some of the safety precautions that we're taking here at our shop, along with other restaurateurs here in Long Beach, making sure that you all feel safe and that our team feels safe as well too. So as you can see, even in this demonstration, we are wearing masks, and so when you come into our shop, we have that as well too. And we constantly wash our hands, as with safe food handling anyway, but even more so in these interesting times. With that too, when we accept guests here at our shop, you can either come in curbside and we'll bring it to your car, or we actually accept guests 2 at a time here as well too, where you could shop for your truffles, your bottle of wine, or your kits here as well too. We sanitize surfaces constantly here at the shop as well too. If you feel more comfortable wearing gloves, we do have some disposable gloves for our guests here as well.
And everything is packaged, ready for you to take home. There's nothing served in here.
So we have been in Long Beach, I believe, since 2014. Initially as a pop-up business. In about 3 years ago, we had opened here in Pine Avenue, our downtown location. And Lynette, we're about to celebrate our 3rd year anniversary.
Oh,
so how are we going to celebrate?
Yeah, so we're thinking of doing a virtual Facebook Live, Instagram Live celebration. We want to invite all of you guys over there. We're just so excited to hit 3-year mark, and I'm here to celebrate with you guys. So we're gonna have a lot of specials as well, so follow us on all our social media accounts. We said we were gonna have a buy 2 truffles and get 1 free, which you should definitely take advantage for that week.
And so many more promotions to come leading into June. Also keep in mind our current hours are Wednesday through Sunday, 11 to 5. We will be extending our hours as things become safe to do so, so you will find that in June we'll be open until 6 p.m. Stay tuned as we hopefully open up for dine-in customers slowly but surely. We're excited to do that as well too. Well, with that said, thank you all so much for supporting local small business. Thank you for joining us for Virtual Taste of Downtown. You can find myself and Lynette and our wonderful team here at the shop. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you for joining us.
Follow us on social media.
At Romeo Chocolates. Thank you all.